Yeah, I'm so stiff on the bike still. What's crack, lads? That's your boy Night Rider 91 back again with another video. Back on the Grom again. Surprise, surprise. Heading over to the stunt lot. Wouldn't call it a lot, but anyway. I think I have an exhaust leak on this, or a header leak, whatever it is. I know the previous owner put a new exhaust on it, and he said he had a new gasket as well. Maybe it'll seal up. Yeah, that's just an exhaust leak. So yeah, it's been 2 weeks since the last video. So yeah, the weather's been unreal, but obviously couldn't get out on the bike as I was away. The winter time has come as well, so the clocks have gone back, so it gets darker quicker. So all in all, it's a shit time, but look, it's warm. It's like 15 degrees or something. Can't complain. Yeah, we'll see if I'm starting from scratch again, basically, if I've lost everything I learned 2 weeks ago. But it's some difference without the foot sliding. Oh my god. Oh yeah, that's so much more dangerous because the foot isn't sliding at all. Damn, didn't know that I relied on the wet ground as much. Yeah, better. I think I just need to get back into it basically. Oh, muscle memory, yes. Let's see what the recording looks like, because I have a feeling that I'm in cinematic mode knowing my look. Okay, so thankfully I checked, because the ND filter was making it look really dark. Man, it's crazy how much I relied on the foot slide when it was wet. Like, so much easier, because now you're kind of thinking about both things. I'm just happy that I didn't lose the progress after the 2 weeks. Like, not going high enough. It's exhaust. So many people today. I suppose last time it was raining, so everybody was inside, whereas now nice. Yeah, so literally just focusing on the rear brake. I'm just too jumpy with the throttle, maybe, I don't know. Longest one yet, Europa. Yeah, I don't really like when it like throws me like that. That just basically means I'm going too slow. So yeah, the high flow pump has been ordered. It's the Tikawa one, not the stock one, just in case in the future I ever want to do something with the engine in this and it was available. Like, the stock pumps are on back order. I didn't really want to wait. Yeah, I'm so stiff on the bike still. Crazy when you can like start to think about other things in the wheelie. Trying to lean back now, as in put the bike in front of me a bit more instead of having it up here. Better, much better. Yeah, that kind of scared me because I was just leaning back. But that's the whole idea of the rear brake then, like that rear brake saves you, like. Right, so that was a combination of rear brake, smooth throttle control and body positioning. How does one progress to putting their feet up? Nobody ever tells you that. Rear brake. Yeah, so much different with the body positioning. Somebody coming to give up to me, probably. So you're telling me like that's balance point, but it's very slow balance point because I'm falling over to the side. Yeah, so dropbacks feel super weird. And then the balance point moves with your body positioning, which makes sense. Center of gravity and all that. Beautiful. This is where a stunt lot would come in handy. So then you speed up a little bit, but you then try to slow it down again. Whereas going slow, try to speed up, and obviously have to drop it down. I don't want to be going too far back there, like not to annoy people, so. Nice. So I can slow it down, I can speed it up, I can drop back on command. Now I just need to tie in basically body positioning. It sounds like a tractor with that leak. Rear brake control, throttle control, be smoother with it a little bit. I think body positioning is a big thing now. No, you don't. Yeah, because if you pull it closer to yourself, like the balance point changes completely. Oh, I love it. Yeah, body positioning. I don't know why when I'm going back it's easier for me to lean a bit more relaxed than going this way. Balance point. There's a guy there at the loading dock. I don't know if he's fascinated or if he's calling the guards on me. Maybe he was fascinated, I don't know. Alright, well we're gonna leave it there. Made some progress, short-lived, but if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Catch you at the next one. Peace.